So guys, this is the hair straight out of the pack. I was just going to bleach the knots, but honestly I get tired. I'm gonna start already, so I'm just gonna put my foundation on it and then just apply the wig. It's 20 inches in Bodywave, so you guys will see when I am applying it. So guys, now I'm just gonna wash the hair. I'm gonna be using my Tresemme shampoo and conditioner and just wash the hair. Put it on a line for dry, and then I'll be applying this wig either today or tomorrow, depends on what time it dries. So guys, I just want to show you how there's like legit no hair in the water. Like I'm not getting no shedding from the hair. I'm not getting any shedding from the hair, guys. Like, and it is super soft. I don't know if you can actually look and see how soft it is, but yeah, it's nice. Hey guys, I know sis out here looking like a whole egg, yeah, but when the head looks so like an egg, you know the installer go bust, like, you know, the installer go coming for next all these stuff. So guys, today's video is sponsored. I will be doing a wig review, as you all can see by the title and the thumbnail. So I'll be doing a wig. This is sponsored by a company. I don't know the name of this company now, guys. It's just some letters. I don't know what it mean, but it's MSMUSAS. Yeah, I'll put it on the screen. This is the bag that it came in. This is like just a cute pink bag, and it's silk, so it's good to like store your wig in. I'll be storing my wig in this bag. Inside I got just the wig, of course, and a wig cap. Now guys, this wig cap color, let's get into this color. Okay, this is dark skin girl friendly, melanin friendly. You guys see this color? This is so dark, and like, it's just it. So when I finish with my wig, I'll definitely like be washing this shit out. I'm really not gonna use this one to do a ball cap method. I already do that one and plug it up. Right, the man plug it up.
Like the guy fuck it up.
So this is how the wig is looking. I already plucked and separated the baby hair. I did not bleach the knots. I'm just gonna be applying my makeup on it. But this is how the wig is looking, guys. I did a center part. I'm not sure if I want to wear it straight or put some curls in it, but when the wig is applied, then you'll know. So we're just gonna start by applying the wig. What I put on my wig cap is, I use a true, I used to use a powder, but I recently started using the True Complexion contour palette, and I just use the contour shade, and I put it inside of the wig cap just to like give it the color. So I'm gonna just do that, and I'll be back with you guys when we're gonna actually apply it. The wig is on. I put my foundation on the wig and my powder, I should say, on the wig, and I clip out the earpieces to make my ear comfortable. So it's just like time to lay the wig. These are my baby hair, but I don't know if I did tell me before. And yeah, well, obviously I'm not got this long, but get what I'm saying. So I'm going to be using my Got To Be spray, Got To Be freeze spray, to lay the wig. So this is a glueless install. You know, I'll be coming with a glueless install because them other glues want to do me dirty on camera, on human tube. Ain't anybody got time for them. So yeah. Oh yeah, just to talk about this wig a little, guys. So the customization of the wig is just a standard customization. So you know, it have the two combs at the side, one at the back, and it has the adjustable strap. I want to say, while washing the hair or combing it out, there was minimum shedding. You know, every hair sheds, but this had a little to no shedding, which is very good. The frontal is very wide, goes all the way back here. This is a really wide parting, and it just has a lot of parting space, so you can do a center part, side part. That's very good. And the frontal is very great to work with. You know, if you want to bleach this, it does bleach very good. Yeah, so that's what I really wanted to say about this wig, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started with laying it. So guys, my forehead looks like this because I use some alcohol on a tissue to just wipe off the excess makeup around my forehead. because any oil, grease, dirt will stop the wig from properly laying and lifting on the streets, and we don't want that. So yeah, just wipe off your hairline if you have on makeup and you're good to go. Now we're gonna just start by laying the wig on our head. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love. So guys, the wig is glued down. I'm gonna just be tying it down for about 10 minutes and just blow dry it. Yes, exactly. This is exactly what you think it is. It's a shoelace. Yeah, exactly. Does it even matter what you use to tie it down? No. No, it doesn't. You will not go to hell or heaven. You just need to tie it down. Simple. Love it. Oh, my shoes are smashed my top. And not even my shoes, these people. I'm a puzzle one, but what's hers is mine. Fuck. Okay, guys, so that's it. I'm gonna be blow drying it for about 10 minutes, like 5 minutes stop, then do our next 5 minutes. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna see if I can flat iron it. Yeah, if it don't work, I'll probably just use a flat iron and flip it, like put some waves in it or shit. But do I want to flat iron it? Like, that's gonna take a while though. Damn, son. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. Nothing different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, break them, don't wanna fit. Right around the world, let me right around, talk to me. You must be made for me. Wait, no, but that's after taking my son. So guys, this is the finished look. This is how my hair turned out. As you can see, it is fully snatched, fully laid, fully flat, fully bone straight, no zigzaggy around here. If you guys want all the information on this wig, it will be down in my description. So the link to purchase the wig and how much it is going for on Amazon will be in my description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe, because period, why would you not want to subscribe? It's like good hair, good makeup over here, like period. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a like. You can comment, you know, just comment free of mine. I'm here to listen to you, to talk to you, yeah. And yeah, so this is it. I'm tired right now, but like this is it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye baby. Bye.